Alright, hello everyone and welcome in today's new video on this channel. My name is Luke, head of trading from Lunar Trading Academy. In today's video, I would like to show you how I lost $5,000 opportunity trade, which ended up in profit only $1,000, which is still great. $1,000 is still great, but when you know you could have made 5 grand, it annoys you a bit. So, without further ado and with that being said, let's take a look on this scalp trade. I was trading simply priceaction liquidity sweep on BTC, so let's take a look at that. Let's switch to 5-minute time frame and I will show you my key level, which is right here, this order block, which been tested right here, and my sell idea was pretty simple. When I look at short scalps, I want to see liquidity sweep above level that tests another important level. For example, order block, fair value gap, etc. So above this swing high, which tested this 5-minute order block, there was a lot of liquidity that I was waiting for. So let me switch really quick to 1-minute time frame, which is time frame which I use for execution, and I will show you the liquidity sweep and my specific entry. So the liquidity level was 91,318 and liquidity sweep was right here, as you can see. Right after this sweep, I've opened short position where I risk smaller percentage of my capital because it was still risky. I haven't got any confirmation yet, but at the same time I didn't want to miss the setup. So I've opened short here and I was waiting for next confirmation in form of fair value gap to add to my position. A level 90,900 was exactly the level which I was waiting for. This fair value gap was relatively strong confirmation for me to add to my position, so I did, and price then dropped even lower. Thing which supports this sell idea from this fair value gap was this swing low which overlapped with this fair value gap, which basically boosts the confirmation of this setup. So I added to my position here and the result was 1,000 profit because I closed the entire position right here. As I said, don't get me wrong, $1,000 is still great, but as you can see, price then dropped even lower, so I could make 3 times more. However, this is trading. You can't predict every single move. Your mission as a trader is to make money, take those money from the table and get out. And I did. So this was just quick recap and quick trade breakdown of my latest scalp. If you like this video or you want to see more of those videos in the future, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you are more interested in our trading strategy, you can also check out our hero. If you also want to scalp through TradingView, be sure to watch this video right here where I explain full guide how you can connect exchange to TradingView. Therefore, you can place scalps, swing trades or day trades directly through TradingView. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any following questions about this video, be sure to write them to the comment section down below and I will be happy to answer you. I'm Luke from Lunar Trading Academy and I'll catch you in the next video.